Very good morning. This is Dr. Sudhir Kumar Bandyopadhyay, successfully entered guest in my studio. I like to perform the activity that is a missile, I mean not unlike missile. Missile is to thrown, here the effort apply only centrifugal force. Apply effort is how would gain the linear velocity, projectile velocity. That is most important. Here, in fact, only for the centrifugal force radially out. And the actually some scope of vibration, so normal reaction come into play. So that two force resulting way that two force one is centrifugal for this one this finger and is normal reaction due to vibration normal reaction come into play. Resulting force is like this one. This is the attain the projectile velocity. So the missile, I mean model missile that can thrown successfully. Let us go to the experiment. Right? I have a okay, I put here. Yes, I have a bottle application and a pen. That's the missile I make to make. So because that I inserting a yes, I inserting a cotton ring and I inserting here inserted too much. Okay, mm. And now inserting the lead cap. This is the missile. Okay. The missile. Right. Okay. Missile I made it. Right. Now inserting this is a missile. And now inserting it I am in the bottle cap. Right. Now I have only permission to put here centrifugal force by circulating motion. I apply a force like this, it fall down, it will be projected. 45 degree angle projection, it will go maximum horizontal line. So I approximately I've done. Yes, it has been. I go there, put in front of you, 45 degree about angles, and it will be thrown out. Let us go once again and try. Yes, speedily thrown out. Speedily thrown out. Once again I go. I go there. Yes, speedily thrown out. Yes, you seen the projectile? And that projectile motion will make 45 degree angle, it will go maximum. Okay, and once again repeat it. Hmm. Hmm. Now I'm setting this. Okay, now I put it here. Okay, hold it in a proper manner. 45 degree angle, it will be maximum. So I go much more range, I like expecting. I'm expecting much more range I'm expecting here, of course. The expectation of much more legs and let us go and try. 45 degree angle it will go maximum. That can be also verified here. You know, I have it in a 45 degree approximately. Yes, it has done much more distance. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You have seen the projectile motion. But I apply here only centrifugal force. Circulating motion. The part apply it can circulate. The circulate force, how it possible to make linear velocity like projectile velocity? This is the big question here. Question is so important here. The fact is very simple. Centrifugal force acting like this finger, and actually there is a scope of vibration. The quarter wing is here. There is a scope of vibration. Normal reaction comes into play. And that two reaction resulting when it comes to this direction. So then the linear velocity. And it will be projected and 45 degree is the horizontal course. Thank you very much. Sudhir Kumar Bandyopadhyay. successfully enter STMS studio and typically exhibit the rocket missile, but by apply circulating motion. Thank you.